So welcome back, guys. This is S&P 500. So before we get started, make sure you subscribe. If you are yet to subscribe, if you've not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, like and share. So yesterday we did analysis on this S&P, and we told you guys that we should be getting a bearish move, and this is what we've gotten right. For today, our S&P actually opened and closed bearish, right? Price has gone bearish. You can see it is trading below our 10 period moving average. But before that, a pullback was made that came to hit our 10 period moving average. Then we now found a rejection, and now this S&P 500 is dropping. To be able to predict the price for the next day, right, we would have to zoom it out and understand the trend for this movement. So let's start this recent move on S&P. We can clearly see that this trend is a downtrend movement. So we all know that markets mix three type of movements. It's either an uptrend movement, a downtrend movement, or a ranging markets movement. So what we are seeing on this S&P 500 is a downtrend movement. That is one. Secondly, we can see that this price is trading below the 10 period moving average. And you all know that once this price is trading below the 10 period moving average, once it is below the moving average, then definitely it is a sell movement. You should go ahead and sell. So this is exactly what we are having on S&P 500. Price is actually on a bearish move, and you can see it on most of our stock index. Based on Nasdaq 100, you can see that bearish move, right? When you take a look at most of your stocks, they're actually dropping. Even our S&P is actually dropping. So we expect a further bearish move. Now see this movement like this. Let's start it from here, but we should actually go to the 4 hour time frame. So we would go to the 4 hour time frame to understand this movement, and we need to predict such movement for the next day. So on the 4 hour time frame, what is the trend for this? So we clearly can see a downtrend move. Price is dropping on the 4 hour time frame. So we have no other option than to go ahead and drop with it. So we would now see this movement like a drop here. This will be taken as a pullback. We would now see this to be a drop, a pullback on S&P, then a new drop. If you take a look at this, kind of like a huge pullback that broke this previous, lower highs, then eventually price did not give us a new highs. If the price just drop again, and you can see this huge candlestick wick is sticking at the bottom here, is a lows that actually broke this previous low. So we can now count this as a new lows has been made here that broke this previous lows. And take a look at this again. A pullback was made. This pullback failed to break this previous, lower highs. If not, we would have said, okay, maybe price wants to change direction, but price did not give us such movement. Price came to this same level. Now we are getting a new drop. So that is to tell you that S&P 500 for the next day, we expect another bearish move. So currently price is trading at 3,821. Have it in mind that the market has not yet closed. Right, we have about 2 hours for the market to close. By the time the market would have closed, it should have moved away from that. So currently, this standard time doing this analysis, it is trading at 3,821. So the next morning we should actually see it drop down. At least we should be able to see it get to a level, and we should sit with a level of 3,782. So I should be watching out either for the 28th or 29th, which is tomorrow and next tomorrow. We should see S&P 500 at least drop and get to a level of 3,782.